Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dahul. Today we are diving into an exciting MAANG-level interview question, solving the problem of finding the prefix common array of two arrays. This problem tests your problem-solving skills, logical thinking, and efficiency in handling arrays, making it a favorite among interviewers at top tech companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Apple, Netflix, and Microsoft. Let's break this problem into simple steps and then solve it using a clear, optimized approach. Stick around till the end because I will explain the code line by line, ensuring you can tackle this in your next coding interview. Here is the problem. You are given two integer arrays A and B of the same length n. Your task is to compute the prefix common array. For each index I, the result of I should be store the count of numbers that are common in both arrays from index 0 to I. Let's take a quick example. Just take this one. Here we have A equal to 1324 and B equal to 3124. So the prefix common array will be for I equal to 0, no common numbers. So result of 0 equal to 0. And for I equal to 1, the common numbers are 1 and 3. So result of 1 will be 2. Like that for I equal to 2, the common numbers are 1, 2, 3. So result of 2 equal to 3. For I equal to 3, all numbers are common. So result of 3 will be 4. So the output will be 0, 2, 3, 4. Like that we have to do. So let's discuss about the approach that we need to use in order to solve this. First of all, we need to track how many numbers from both arrays have appeared up to index I and whether they appear in both arrays. We will use a frequency array to count the occurrence of each number. Then, as we iterate through the arrays, if any number appears twice in total, means once in A and once in B, we will increase the count of common elements. Finally, we will store this count in the result array for each index I. This approach is efficient because it processes the array in a single loop, giving us big of n time complexity. Now let's get into our code section. Here we have the method find the prefix common array having two input arrays A and B. So first of all we need to calculate the length of the arrays A and B. Since both the arrays are of the same size, we can use either one. So int n equal to A dot length. This variable n will help us iterate through the arrays. Next, we need to initialize the result array. New end of n. So for every index I, result of I will store the number of common elements in the prefix of both arrays from 0 to I. Next, we need one frequency array, which is, which is used to count the occurrence of each number. Int frequency new end of n plus 1. Since the number in A and B are between 1 and n, we allocate space for n plus 1 integers in the frequency array. Next, we need to initialize one more variable in order to keep track of the total number of common elements found so far. int common count equal to 0. So as we iterate, we will update this count whenever a new common element is found. Now we need a loop which iterates through the each index I for the arrays A and B. For int I equal to 0, I less than n, sorry, I plus plus. Now we need to check if frequency of a of I, if we increment the count of the number a of I in the frequency array. Frequency of a of I to, if the count of a of I becomes 2, it means this number has appeared once in both arrays. Means it's common. So we have to increment common count. Like that, we have to do for B. Frequency of B of I equal to common count increment. So at this point, we store the current count of common elements in the result array for index I. Result of I equal to common count. Finally, after completing the loop, we return the result array. Just run it. Yeah, it's working. So I will mention about the time complexity now. The time complexity of the solution is big of n since we loop through the array once. Space complexity is also big of n due to the frequency array. This is the most efficient approach to solve the problem while maintaining clarity. Are done. So, and that's it. This is how you can solve the prefix common array problem, a classic MAANG level interview question. It's all about understanding the problem using the right data structure and writing efficient code. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in comments if you would like me to cover any other challenging interview questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep coding and stay awesome.